Hawkins, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, April 25th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 72 and a low of 50. Ooh, getting colder.
Yeah, what happened to it almost being summer?
I know, right?
Okay. Here's Ms. Edley with an important announcement.
I'm sorry, clap for me. Clap for me. Hey, good morning, guys. Well, we have a couple of people that are on our Early Bird Show. We have, let me get Mr. Cosman. We have Mr. Hawthorne. Come here, sir. This is Evan. And if you notice, they all have on the same t-shirts, right?
Yeah.
Hey, why? Tell me what's going on. What happened this
We
weekend?
won the Super Bowl.
You won the Super Bowl.
Slash
What?
championship.
The championship. What team are y'all with?
Falcons.
The Falcons. Oh, is that our school mascot? Is it?
Yes.
It's all about us?
Our colors too.
So y'all won your flag football championship, right?
Yes.
So I just thought I would, come on. I thought I would invite the rest of the team up since we had our other team here. Come on, what's your name? Give them your name. Joshua. Mason. Chase, look at this. I am so excited for these guys. They have worked hard all year. Y'all, I want to let you know every single Monday I have to hear from these three about how their games went. And I'm so excited that y'all won the championship. And so I just thought we would go ahead and give y'all a round of applause and say congratulations. All right, good guys. Good job, guys.
Today's lunch options are chicken nuggets or burrito. I'm going with chicken nuggets. How about you?
I picked chicken nuggets too. Yeah. Today in history, in 1901, New York becomes the first U.S. state to use automobile license plates.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Today's fun fact is giraffes only have bottom teeth.
Oh, so that's why they only eat leaves. In the headlines, teen finds a safe containing thousands on the bottom of a river. Then tracks down owner who'd been robbed 22 years ago. A teenage treasure hunter was searching the bottom of a river with a heavy-duty magnet when he pulled out something extraordinary, a safe that contained thousands of dollars. After looking to see who it belonged to, he finally returned it to its rightful owner, a businessman who was robbed 22 years ago. Yeah.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, why did the melon jump into the lake?
I don't know why.
Because it wanted to be a watermelon.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Do your best and the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Everett.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time.